Okay, we're bringing you guys back with another video. This is another one of those videos that basically show you how you can buy something for cheap and put it back together on your own. This is a 2006 Kia Sportage. At the end of the video, yeah, you see the door handles missing. I got that too. At the end of the video, you would know how much you paid for it, what it costs, and how much I had to put into it to put it back together. So let's get started with the teardown process, so you guys can see how I do all of that. And then we can go from there on putting it back together again. So bear with me, still learning how to work this stuff. Still learning, trying to make sure you guys can get the best angle you can to see me take it apart. So let's begin. Okay, so as you can see in the front, it sustained damage to the radiator support, which is metal, easy to replace. So let's get started taking it loose and see how fast I can disassemble it. On this time in this video, I'm gonna tell you the sizes. Most of the size on this vehicle here is a 10, and I believe this is a 12, and I think it's a 13 as well. And we're about to go ahead and remove the hood real quick, so it no longer is in our way, and it is damaged. So we'll be replacing it with another one. Might go ahead and install that in this video as well, because I do have a new one. A lot of my parts I pull them from the junkyard myself, trying to save money on rebuilding this thing. So the hood, taking the hood loose, really common sense on a lot of these sizes on some of these cars. When you do it so long, you kind of learn the size of the nut. Sit that there. Easily take it off without not causing damages to our fenders and things. And we can remove this out of the way. We don't longer need it anymore. Now that the hood is off, and we got more room for activities and things. The person I got it from tried to start disassembling, so I don't know if he knew what he was doing or not, but anyway, who cares? Yeah, this is already broken and loose. This goes to our horns. We have new horns for the whole new core support, so yeah, let's figure this out. Some of them tabs can be a pain in the butt. It's already broke, so I already got to take it loose. Let me get something to snip these little things off real quickly. The little fastener things. I have the replacement ones. Snip these loose here, replace them with the other one. Make sure not to cut our wires, but just to remove them out of the way. So I got a new one of those. That goes to the pal. I keep a lot of the core stuff because you can always take that back and get your coat charge back. But disassemble this real quick so it's not in our way. Try to get it done quick as we can and as effectively as we can without causing more stuff. Yeah, we can take that loose from here. This goes to the hood latch, so it's just an easy unhook and go. We have our tin here to take our headlight out. So, like I said, bear with me. We're gonna see how quick can I get this out. Got a little hood bracket thing right here you pull out. There's another tin over here. I believe. Let's see, do we got anything else holding our headlight in here? Should be loose to come out of there. Let's see. A little jiggle there. I'm gonna damage the wires. Corners. Pull that out. Got the headlight out. Okay. I'm gonna grab an extension real quick for this front part. All right, so we got that loose. Have another tin over here. Let's see here. A lot of our hoses and things. A lot of this stuff we're gonna leave connected. If it ain't damaged, it don't make sense. Taking it loose. I mean, unhooking the hoses on it, I meant. Bear with me. Let's see. Try to keep as much of it connected as we can without causing a bigger mess. Less mess, the better. Makes stuff go a heck of a lot quicker. Alright, get the rest of the wires unhook from here. Like so. Snipping and cutting on the road. Pull up more wires too. We come in here. Disconnect more of it. So, hopefully everybody's doing safe. Had a blessed and fun weekend. Having a good day at work. And hopefully everything goes good for the most part. Okay, we got majority of that loose. That's loose. We just gotta hit these little things here. Get this crap off. This right here. Put our tin back on there. There's a bolt here that we gotta get loose. I think that goes to the frame. Not for sure. Kind of leave this bar thing attached because I got another one to go to it. So let's keep the process rolling. I'll make you guys bored with what I'm doing. This here is another 12. This is same basic stuff. Release some stress off of it. Making progress. Do this side real quick. Really don't take long to take this stuff loose if you just take Take your time. Just do what you do. Very easy. Very practical. And as you see there, got that jammy loose there. I'll swap off from our 12 to our 10. Take our AC lines loose to our condenser. Grab the hose of that one. Put it up there. That wasn't fun. Just popped in the hour cap. Whole lot of air coming out of there. And as you see, most people would have edited it out of their video. I didn't. You make mistakes when you're taking stuff like this loose. You really can't freaking see behind this crap. And didn't know all that stuff was there. It's kind of messed up. It is what it is. Popped off and popped in freaking face. But I'm all right. Ooh, well, that wasn't good. Whole damn thing popped off on his freaking foot. Well, as you see, this is the damaged radiator support, so we don't need that anymore. We got another one. Yeah, that was fun. Don't know where that came from. That was in there before I got it. All right, we're almost done with taking it loose. We can just bend this part back since the condenser is damaged. We don't need it. Take that on off, put that up there. Remove that AC line. Oh, now we can expose the cooling fan by unplugging it. A little snap. Get you some channel locks or some pliers. That right there goes to our power steering pump, so we're not fooling with it. We got 3 more clamp things here. Oh yeah, don't forget about having your trash can on handy. Let's get some channel locks. Let's take that off. And get the last and final part off. Then we put the hood on. So just in case it rains, it really won't damage anything, I guess. So, all right. Looks like we might have some coolant that's gonna get on the ground. But I always clean that crap up. Well, that stuff squirted me right in the face like golly. That was crazy. Super crazy. That thing on there kind of tight. Okay. Normally this stuff don't take long to take loose. There we go. One cooling line off. Transmission lines are next. And that will conclude this assembly. Well, wow. That was some scary crap. That came out of nowhere. Okay. I did not intentionally do that. Did not think it had anything in it. Once again, the vehicle was in a little collision. So think we both learned something new today. Well, we all did. Check your coolant before you disassemble something, to make sure you don't get squirted in the face with it. Yeah, that was very crazy there. Trash pile. All right, let's get these lines loose. Get our hood installed for right now. And the next video will be us reassembling everything or whatnot. All right, there you go. Whole radiator, fan, assembly removed, and condenser. Now we're going to install the hood. Most likely our hood hinges are probably bent, but they might not be, so it might be lucky, but I did get more. So hopefully they're not bent. So let's find that out. Put the hood on real quick and then put it on real quick. And then that'll really conclude our video for today. As this is a Monday morning, this video most likely be coming out probably Friday or something like that. Okay. A lot of times you need two people to help with this, but sometimes you can do it yourself. Just take your time. I like to use the hood prop. If the vehicle you bought came in one. So you come on the driver's side because the hood prop is going to act like a second arm or second hand or however or whatnot. And then, yeah. Let's put our nuts right there. And let's see, can we get this sucker over here? See if we get a couple bolts in it, hold it. Okay. Got that side in. We hold it up some. Come over here. Hold it as still as we can. Get this side in. Start with your bottom nut first. That's what I'm about to do. Put the bottom one in first. That way it can hold it better. Now we can put in the top one, like so, and voila. Give them in hand tight, so you get the hood moved around. Try to match the hinges up. I mean, there's a spot on the hinges to try to match up. Try to match it up so you can really have a problem. Tighten it up. Get it lined up as good as you can. You can always adjust it later. Get them tight. That one's good. That one's next. Okay. Now we got to do, tighten her on up now. sorry for blocking your view. And the same thing as a 12. Most of these, like I said, they're commonly used sizes. These done, 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 and done. Now the hood is on. So, other than that, that'll conclude our video with the first teardown of the 2006 Kia Sportage. Cheap vehicle, cheap parts, easy to buy, put it back together, flip it, make a profit. But stay tuned, like, love, and subscribe. Stay safe out there. And thank you for watching. Have a good one.